Hey guys, happy Friday. I hope you are gonna enjoy your weekend. I want to get this update out there before it gets too late in the day. U.S. history. Remember, we do not have class on Monday. Tuesday class, we will meet. Be honest, not exactly sure how long we're gonna meet for, but we're gonna meet, and then Wednesday and Thursday are like normal. Okay. I just opened the Intro to American Imperialism learning set. We're moving on to the American Imperialism unit. That there's only one assignment. You don't need to do that assignment until we have a meeting in class. Okay. I will probably give you guys time also to make up work. This week's going to be a little weird with us not having school on Monday and Friday. Technically, you guys work, but it's a 2-hour early release. The quarter ends on Friday, guys. So make sure you're turning in any work that you haven't turned in yet. If you have a question, if you don't know if you can turn something in, ask me. That's what I'm here for. Okay? But you don't need to do that one assignment until we have class. And I look forward to seeing you guys next week. Have a nice weekend.